Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, it's springtime and things are growing and we love recycling, and this just seems like a really funny way to combine all those things we love. So check it out. I made a really funny can friend, I guess.
It's a can friend.
It's a can friend because yes, you can. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is find a can at your house. I think I had tomatoes in this can. Sometimes beans come in cans. Lots of things comes in cans. Soup. It could be a big can, a little can. This is a big one, you can see. So get yourself a can. Have a grown-up help you, because when you open the can, there's usually a sharp edge. So I just took, at home, I took a hammer and I pounded down the Sharpie edge so I didn't get hurt. So you want to be careful because inside the can can be sharp. But we're really interested in decorating the outside of the can. So I looked around our studio and I thought, what kind of funny things could I use to decorate my can? So I found some ribbon and some little pieces of felt. And then I already did this guy and I thought I'll do a different kind of one. So I found this funny tool. And today I thought, what if I make, this is going to be the bow tie. So I'll show you how I decorate it. And you could decorate it any you want. A lot of times we paint our cans, but this seemed like a really fun way to give a can a sort of a character. So this is going to be the necklace, kind of bow tie-ish thing like that. And then I'm going to use glue because it won't matter on the outside because it's not going to get wet. And it could be outside or it could be in your windowsill. We're actually going to just plant grass. So you could plant whatever you like inside, a sunflower. If you are going to plant something and you don't want it to get wet, you could have a grown-up help you put a couple nail holes in the bottom so the water drains out. Because if you overwater plants, I don't think that they really like that. So,
and also, Miss Hazel, sorry to interrupt, but when we do punch holes in them, the easiest thing to do is to fill it with water, put it in your freezer to freeze, and then hammer it when the ice is in there. It just goes
right through.
So the can doesn't get all doesn't fall apart.
Yeah.
When you hammer it.
Yeah, it doesn't change the shape of your can.
Yeah, so a little bit of ice in your can.
Yeah, water. Fill your can with water a little bit, and then flip it over and get your hammer. Bang, 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 bang with a big nail.
The ice is in there, yeah.
Yeah, the ice is in there. And then let it melt because you don't want to plant on top of the ice. Although it would melt. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make a couple of eyes. I cut some white felt for my eyes. I'm going to not overthink it because this is something you could do. You could make more than one. You could make a family of can friends. Okay, gluey, their eyes. I'm going to need some pupils. Got my glue all over my hand.
What color pupils are you making?
I'm going to go black.
Huh. That's interesting.
Okay. Kate, I'm feeling like you're a little bit silly. Okay, okay. This felt, believe it or not, I found it in our felt box. Check it out. Has a sticky back.
You didn't have to use glue.
Yeah.
That's nice.
But you can use glue. I'm going to have my little man.
But this one is kind of crazy.
I'm going to have her looking over here.
Okay.
You could make some. I don't really like to make anybody mad, but you could. Okay, let's give her some eyebrows. Don't take too long. There we go. She needs to get her eyebrows done. Or he does. Maybe they're like, okay, eyebrows. Let's do some kind of a nose. Here we go. Don't overthink it. Or take as long as you want and think about it a lot. It's kind of just a funny. You could make some of these for your neighbors or your grandma. I'm going to just go with a big red smile because my friend is happy. There we go. Well, glue.
Happy grass man.
And I'm using tacky glue. There we go. Look at that.
Yeah, the tacky glue holds quickly, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It's good. You get the idea. So we'll just do that. And then here's what you're going to do. You're going to take some dirt, soil. My daughter's working with people that are learning to make our soil healthy and not be dirt. They're called Kiss the Ground. They do really good work. So I've got some dirt in there. Oh, except hang on, leave a little bit of dirt to put on top. Okay, dirt. Oh my gosh, look at my friend's face.
I know, I love his face. It's cute.
It just got all dirty.
Oh, well, there's that too.
There we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm making a big mess. Okay, then I've got some grass seed. I've got a lot of grass seed here, but you know what? I'm going to sprinkle some in because I want a nice full head of hair. And then I put a little more dirt on top of it. There you go. Lay it on top. A little water. And then I'm going to put it in the sun and watch funny, funny hair grow out of my can friend. I've made a giant mess here, Miss Kate.
And then could you give it a little trim, like a little haircut?
Oh, I think you could give it a trim.
Yeah, because that one looks like his hair is not very even.
You could then give it a trim. Kind of funny. Yeah. There you go. You could have some fun with this. And it's kind of a way to recycle things that you might actually have in your house. Yeah. And they're kind of funny. You could use a Sharpie too if you wanted to, draw teeth on. I used a Sharpie to draw teeth onto my smile here. So if you do this project and you want to share, we'd love to see it at Alameda Arts Fun is our Instagram. Or if you like this video, you could subscribe to us here. And if you really want to see what we're up to, you could check out our website. That's alamedaarts.com. Miss Kate and I love when you come to see us and do art with us. So,
yes.
Yeah. Well, happy spring. Take good care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time.
All right, bye, everybody.
Bye, friends.